First, open and log in to the virtual computer. For more information on downloading, go to the Canvas page. Open the desktop search bar and go to All Apps. Open the GCMS Solutions folder, then open the GCMS Post-Run Analysis app. In User ID, enter Admin, and then press Enter. No password is needed. Make sure this corner says Qualitative. If it does not, you can click this button to get it there. To open your data, click the folder icon. Go to Universal Drive, then the S drive. Go to Chemistry, MS Data, Purification Labs, Chem 202, then the season and year of your lab section, then the file name. This should start with your initials. Your top two panels are your GC data, and the bottom is the MS data for each GC peak. You can integrate peaks either automatically or manually. To automatically integrate, first click Peak Integration for all TICs. Then in the window, press Auto/Area and how many peaks you want. The software will go based off your biggest peaks. Pressing Detail will integrate all peaks. To access the data table, go to the qualitative table icon on the side, then press TIC. To manually integrate, go to the Qualitative tab at the top, then press Manual Peak Integration, TIC, and then drag the cursor across your chosen peak's base. You can again open the data table by going to the qualitative table icon on the side, then press TIC. You will need the area information in the TIC table for purity calculations. To access the NIST MS library search, first put the cursor in the middle of your peak in the GC window by double-clicking. Make sure the mass spec looks good. Click Similarity Search icon on the sidebar, and a list of similar compounds to your sample should appear.